everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmei. Y'all, we is so back. After over a month of art block, I'm finally back to entertain you guys. And yeah, I still don't have enough stars for the pro server. But it's fine, I don't need to be in the pro server because I love playing this game with little children who only draw demonic scribbles. Okay, enough talking, let's get into it. We are gonna draw this leaning man. Okay, he looks normal now, so let's just draw him. Gotta put in the guidelines unless you want your character to look like Mr. Potato Head. He looks kinda mad in his avatar, but I'm gonna make him look smexy instead. And then we'll put in the edgy beanie. Alright, the proportions are off, but he's looking okay. I still don't know what that emblem thing on his hat is, but I'm just kinda winging it at this point. Okay, we've got a little bit of time left, so let's put those Gojo glasses in there. And then we're done and ready for judging. Okay, you made him look like a hikikomori. I guess this is how you feel inside your soul. I'm so sorry for you. Oh, this one's not too bad. They got the expression right, so that's pretty good. Oof, not the 5 head. I can see why he's so sad. And here's mine. I think I did all right. Okay, bro really said what if but girl. Oh my god, what the? Why does he have pepperoni nipples? This is gonna be burned into my retinas. On to the next. Oh my god. I have no words. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Take your 5-star, you absolute art god. She made my drawing look so chopped. I think this is lighting a fire inside of me. I need to up my game now. Alright, the rivalry arc is beginning right now. Okay, time to lock in and draw this emo girl. Draw a circle for the head, a line for the nose, and she has big 2000s anime eyes, so I'm gonna give that to her. And put in that Black Rock Shooter-esque hair. So I kind of cut off the shirt like a dingaling, so let's just put those pops of pink from the shirt onto her skin instead. And with the final touch of Ilu on the side, we're gonna be done. Okay, I see that sans on the hat. You can't fool me. Also, that mouth is terrifying. Here's mine. And oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that was a hat. I thought it was just little stars on her hair. Oh, I done fucked up. Even this person got the hat right. Oh. And of course the goat got everything right. Although she didn't get the stars on the hat or the skull. But it's still obviously better than mine. Oh my god, this tiny body and the huge head. Ooh, I like the colors. It's not finished, but the colors really make it. Okay, let's see who won. Yeah, I suspected that. But her art really is good, so I have to give it to her. But mark my words, Vei, I shall win against you.
Mei versus Vei, round 3. Go!
Alright, let's do this. Actually, let me start over again. Now that I wasted all that time that I could have been spent drawing, let me actually start the drawing. Why am I like this? It's okay, we're totally getting somewhere. Okay, no, those eyes are stupid. Now we're getting somewhere with only 2 minutes to spare. Why am I like this? It's fine, we're gonna color it, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna color it, we're gonna be fine. Oh my god, only 13 seconds left. Go, 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 go. Okay, we did it. Let's see everyone else's drawings. Alright, well at least mine's better than that. Okay, so far I'm not feeling too threatened. You know what? I feel pretty confident now. Oh god damn it, Vei! Why do you have to be so good at everything? No, you know what? She didn't get the antenna. She keeps missing the details. That will be her undoing. I know it. Okay, let's see if my hypothesis is correct. You see, Vei, I have bested thee. Look at thine scoreboard, then look at mine. Never again may you show your face here, never again. Okay, I'm done. Let's go to the next drawing. Well, what do you know? We're gonna draw my nemesis. I actually really want to do her justice because I kind of admire her. I noticed she draws with a slightly thicker line, so I'm gonna try copying that. I'm gonna try taking inspiration. Okay, let's put in that cute bob. She's got her tongue sticking out, so let's put that in there. And add the cute hair clips, and color in the pale skin, and write a message on the side just for her. Now it's time for judging. I think they were confused why she doesn't have an abdomen. But personally, I'm more confused why you made her skin a bright yellow. Okay, this one's kinda cute. It deserves a 3-star. Ooh, they didn't get the color in the shirt white. Now she just kinda looks like a naked doll. Oh, and here's mine. Honestly, aside from the weird chin, I think I did a pretty good job. And of course, the goat herself. And then we have 2 lines. Cool, awesome. Alright, let's see who podiumed. Oh my gosh, I won again! We actually got the same amount of stars, so I guess it was just randomly picked? Whatever, I'm happy. Oh my gosh, she's looking at it. Why do I feel some kind of weird sense of accomplishment? Alright, now it's time for more drawings. We're gonna draw Erin. We're starting off as I usually do with the head, Then instead of doing the face like I usually do, I decided I'm just gonna do the hair. This right here, children, is called a bad example. Always start with the face first, so that way everything is proportionate. But we're already in this deep, so I just gotta keep going. Let's get those caterpillar eyebrows in there. She looks so sad. Maybe it's because I called her eyebrows caterpillars. Make sure we get the skin tone in there. And I'm feeling a little silly, so I'm just gonna shade with purple. Then we add some highlights to the hair, really defining it. And add some strands for a little bit of texture. And quickly add in the piercings. Now let's see everybody else's art. That's so rude. But also kinda accurate. Okay, the first one was funny, and now it's just getting old. Okay, finally, a human drawing. That's pretty good. Oh, that's decent too. Although the part in the hair is a little... Moving on, here's their self-portrait. I'm starting to understand why they draw faces like this now. And here's mine. Oh, I forgot the other shoulder. Oopsies. Well, at least I didn't forget the frickin' hair. And why did you stick a paperclip in their cheek? Alright, let's see the results. What the heck? Why am I surrounded by the Goombas? The Goomba almost beat me by 1 point. Y'all were too busy memeing when you voted instead of actually looking at the artwork. They're just staring at it. Oh my gosh. Y'all traumatized this poor person. Alright, we're gonna do a couple more and then I'm gonna draw a full drawing of one of these people. Alright, let's draw Silver next. I like how he's literally wearing Elle's getup, complete with no shoes. Alright, let's draw his face. Give him a thick, manly neck. So a quick way to draw really curly hair is to just make little blobby shapes. It's fast and it gets the point across. Plus we are low on time in this game, so we have to conserve every second. Let's put those sunglasses in there. Gonna make some hair covering it so it looks a little more realistic. And finally put in his features. Let's paint in that dark skin tone. Add a little bit of shading and we're done. Let's go to the judging panel. Yeah, this is fine. He kind of looks like a hipster ant though. Oh, this one's not too bad. Nice use of negative space. What's with all the angry emotes though? Oh, that's cute. Seriously, why are y'all so pressed? Did someone sneeze in your cereal this morning? Okay, this one I understand being mad about. There's barely any mad emotes. Okay, here's mine. I think I did a pretty good job, honestly. People seem to agree, even though there are still mad emotes in there. What? You can't draw, but you're playing a game that requires you to draw? Whatever, let's see the results. Now that's what I like to see. Give me more praise and validation. Ooh, my gosh, this guy's Bakugo. I want to draw him for the next round, please, please. And we get creepy eyeball dude. Life is so cruel. Let's make the best of it. Let's draw the floof, the freaky eyeball, of course. And his hoodie has a lot of patterns and scribbles, so let's just put some random shit in there. And we're basically done. Let's see the others' drawings. No, that's alright. I mean, you didn't color it in all the way, but it's pretty accurate. You made him so zesty. Wow, so swagalicious. And here's mine. They like it, so that's good. Ooh, what a wild color scheme. I like it. And that's just an eye. Boo. Wow, looks like I have won. Did you get it? Did you? Okay. Well, moving on to our last victim, we're gonna draw this goth girl. So I would say the #1 defining feature of this character is her wild hair. So we gotta make sure we do that justice. I don't know what's with me today and not drawing the faces first, but you really should do that. Don't follow my example. Okay, let's shade her ashy, dead-looking skin in. Add the hair accessories, all those piercings, and then we're done. Oh, that's really cute! I'm giving that 4 stars. And there's whatever this Junji Ito wannabe is. And I'm just getting more confused by the second. Alright, I lost to Bakugo, I'm okay with that. Alright, it's time for me to make one of these avatars into a full drawing. And since I didn't get to draw Bakugo, I'm gonna selfishly choose him. So here we go, here's the speed paint. I literally didn't do anything creative or original with this, I just drew Bakugo. I used it as an excuse to draw a character I really like. And that's what this art channel is all about, making excuses so I can draw things that I like. Really, this is why I should not have any creative freedom whatsoever. Anyway, after we add a background and some sparks, we're done with our Bakugo boy. What do y'all think? Did we do a good job on this drawing, or did we fail miserably? You let me know in the comments. Well, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please be sure to like and maybe even subscribe. Bye-bye!